In this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix your Wi-Fi option not showing up on your settings. So the first way is to go update your Wi-Fi driver. You can do that by going to the device manager. So type in device manager in the Windows search and the best match should come up. Open it up. Now once you have opened it, look for something that says network adapters. Now click on the drop down and you'll see a bunch of options. Now you'll see you might have something that's like WLAN, or you might see something else, but it's probably the same thing a bunch of times. So that is not your Wi-Fi adapter if you have something that looks the same a bunch of times. And then your other two options might be these two, or if you have other options, just look at them and look for something that says Wi-Fi or network. Mine says Wi-Fi, so right click on your Wi-Fi adapter or network connection adapter. Click on Update Driver. Click on Browse My Computer for driver software. Click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Now make sure the most recent one is checked. As you can see, mine is 7/1/2020. That is my most recent Wi-Fi driver. So make sure that's what's on, what you click on. Now just click on Next or double click on it, and it has installed it. Now the next thing you're going to want to do is go type in msconfig. Best match should come up with system configuration. Open it up. Now go to services and make sure that hide all Microsoft services is unchecked, so there's no check on it, it's just blank. Now just simply scroll down and make sure that everything on the left is checked. So as you can see, everything for me is checked, but if it's unchecked like this, just check it for everything and then just hit apply, then okay. Now what you're going to want to do is open up the command prompt. You can do that by typing in cmd. Best match should come up with the command prompt. Now click on run as administrator. Click on yes. Now here I'm going to have something that you have to type in the description, and it's going to be on the screen right now. So what you're going to have to type in is ipconfig space / flushdns. Now just click enter, then restart your computer and see if that solves it for you. And if it does, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to my channel down below.